I'd like to go shopping.
I'd like to go shopping.
What do you want to buy?
What do you want to buy?
What time does the store open?
What time does the store open?
When does the plane arrive?
When does the plane arrive?
Would you like something to eat?
Would you like something to eat?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
If you like it, I can buy more.
If you like it, I can buy more.
It's not too far.
It's not too far.
He needs some new clothes.
He needs some new clothes.
How much is that?
How much is that?
At what time does the store open?
At what time does the store open?
At what time does the store close?
At what time does the store close?
What would you like?
What would you like?
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
I'd like another color.
I'd like another color.
I can't find my size.
I can't find my size.
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
What size are you?
What size are you?
This size is big for me.
This size is big for me.
This size is small for me.
This size is small for me.
Do you have a larger size?
Do you have a larger size?
Do you have a smaller size?
Do you have a smaller size?
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
Haven't you anything cheaper?
Haven't you anything cheaper?
How would you like to pay?
How would you like to pay?
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
I'd like to pay in cash.
I'd like to pay in cash.
Do you have anything that is less expensive?
Do you have anything that is less expensive?
May I have the receipt, please?
May I have the receipt, please?
This is more than I can pay.
This is more than I can pay.
I would like to return this.
I would like to return this.
Where are the changing rooms?
Where are the changing rooms?
It's good, but it's a little expensive.
It's good, but it's a little expensive.
Do you have one like this?
Do you have one like this?
Do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color?
Can I buy it tax-free?
Can I buy a tax-free?
Could I have a gift box?
Could I have a gift box?
I can't afford to buy this.
I can't afford to buy this.
Would you please send it today?
Would you please send it today?
May I pick it up?
May I pick it up?
I'd like to return this.
I'd like to return this.
Where is the nearest bank?
Where is the nearest bank?
I'm in money difficulties.
I'm in money difficulties.
Take money out from cash machine.
Take money out from cash machine.
I have spent all my money.
I have spent all my money.
I have to borrow some money.
I have to borrow some money.
Can I pay in euros?
Can I pay in euros?
I'll try to save up some money.
I'll try to save up some money.
You gave me the wrong change.
You gave me the wrong change.
I have already paid.
I have already paid.
I'd like to have it today.
I'd like to have it today.
Where is the nearest exchange office?
Where is the nearest exchange office?
Price, the amount of money that is demanded as payment for something.
Price, the amount of money that is demanded as payment for something.
Can you measure me?
Can you measure me?
When can I have a fitting?
When can I have a fitting?
Do you have it in different colors?
Do you have it in different colors?
What materials is it made from?
What materials is it made from?
Please show me how to use it.
Please show me how to use it.
When will they be ready?
When will they be ready?
Do you have stamps?
Do you have stamps?
Can I buy it on installment?
Can I buy it on installment?
Can I get a discount?
Can I get a discount?
Can you give me a better price?
Can you give me a better price?